Why you should install Wordfence on every WordPress installation you make? If you care about what you build, you should. It's 9:07 a.m. Saturday the 26th of June 2021, Kampala, Uganda. It's a chilly weekend day with lots of coldness. That put aside, I get on a client's website and all to realize all top menu links redirect to advertisement sites. Got lucky the site was still recognizing the admin credentials. All I did was to check with the Wordfence notifications, which pointed to these files as you see them. Wordfence, WordPress security plugin. Wordfence includes a Web Application Firewall that identifies and blocks malicious traffic. It runs at the endpoint, enabling deep integration with WordPress. Meaning it helps you protect websites with the best WordPress security available. An endpoint firewall and malware scanner built from the ground up to protect WordPress. Their threat defense feed arms Wordfence with the newest firewall rules, malware signatures and malicious IP addresses it needs to keep your website safe. Rounded out by a suite of additional features, making Wordfence the best and most comprehensive free security option available. So I started to locate it and delete these files slowly by slowly, hence fixing the site. Sorry I cannot show you all the details as it reveals my client's site details and backend structure. The best of it helps is your ability to track virus location, or where the malicious code is, hence a smooth site fixing. Have great times. Thanks for watching.